Jatend Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kawuono olimo MCA ma kaunti ma Wajir manyo wethuolo bang' kano oteki dweche bura mokalo. Yusuf Ahmed Hussein mosebedo kayudo thieth osiptal ma Nairobi nyo ripode olandre ni oyude bang' kano ondhiye kendo nonro malong'o ewi joma nondhiye to pok ogol. Kalonzo kod jotelo mamoko omedo seyo sirikal ewi arita ka koro gikwedo teko mar oganda ma osebedo kadhi nyime.
We join fellow Kenyans in thanking God for sparing his life. He has spent the last 6 months in unlawful custody. In fact, there are people who go through normal trials and they get sentenced. Get sentenced to 6 months in prison. He has spent 6 months in prison without any lawful cause.
As Wajir Yusuf lies in his bed here, receiving medical attention, he is abductor-in-chief because this is a state matter, and the commander-in-chief is none other than William Ruto. His own minister has told us, J.B. Muturi, when his son was abducted and he went everywhere, the way Yusuf's family has gone, it only took one call from William Ruto for his son to be released.